Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Mickey Mouse animated lamp, and this is Don's equipment from Georgia, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool lamp. Now this unit does not work, so what we want to do is troubleshoot the main PC boards, and we will get a start on that. We want to go through the entire lamp while it's in the shop. Now these units are highly collectible and they're very sought after, and people really want to have them repaired. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool animated Mickey Mouse lamp, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with the repair of Mickey, and we want to go ahead and start our final checkout. We also want to mention that there is a main power switch at the back of the base of this Mickey Mouse lamp, and you always want to make sure that that switch is in the off position when you unplug or plug in to an electrical outlet. The electronics that are associated with this type of lamp are pretty delicate, and so you always want to make sure that that main power switch is in the off position. We also want to mention that if Mickey is not going to be used for a long period of time, it's a good idea to turn that main power switch in the off position. Now we have Mickey plugged into the electric, and we want to go ahead and turn the main power switch on.
What a bright idea!
And we want to wait a second. It's not a good idea to turn these type of lamps on and off too quickly. We'll go ahead and turn the unit off.
Lights out!
Mickey has a lot of cool sayings when you turn the unit on and off. We'll turn Mickey back on.
Now you can see what you're doing.
We'll give that a second. We'll turn the unit off.
So long, pal.
We'll turn the unit back on.
Ah, that's better.
We'll turn the unit off.
See you real soon.
And we'll turn Mickey back on one last time.
Hiya, pal. Nice to see ya.
Now that we know that this really cool animated Mickey Mouse lamp has been repaired, we can return this unit back to Don, and they can enjoy Mickey once again. I'm sure he's going to look great wherever he's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.